train. When mate, they're doing something but fucking watch it. Can you do this for it? No. They're going for someone on the train. Check it out, I'm literally. They're all running to the front of the train. Right down the end of the platform. I reckon these are still on the train, right? They're all down there, look. Nah. Look, they're all down at the front of the train. I can't, mate. I've got, because I don't pay for the premium account. I think they're going in the front of the train now. I've got a proper shaky arm. Why have they all gone running down there, right?